Hey, it's Mr. K, Physics 30, Unit B, Part 1, Review, Question 5. Okay, now this is a question that lots of students have trouble with because I think they just see an answer and they pick it right away. Let's take a look. So first of all, the charges are the same, and they're asking how they would affect a point right here. Well, they tell me that it's a positive test charge, so I know that they're both going to be repelling. So every single option has it repelling. There's not even a choice to have for attraction. Secondly, looking at this, I have twice the radius and I have 1 times the radius. Now, we know that if we're further away, we're going to have less force or create less of a field at that point. So most of my students, we know this is going to be less going down and more going to the left, which rules out both B and D. So now we're stuck between these two. What we should see is because the radius is doubled, that's not just going to affect it by a factor of 2, it's going to affect it by a factor of 4. And that's because if we square the radius and we change the radius by a factor of 2, we're actually changing it by a factor of 4. So what that means is by doubling this radius, we're actually quartering the force that's going to be exhibited. So just by my estimate here, just with my fingers roughly to scale, this is 1 to 2, the way they've drawn it. I've added the dashes, and this is 1 to 4. So I think C is the best answer here. Thanks a lot for tuning in.